In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Systeme.io for a landing page. First, log into your Systeme.io dashboard. This is your main control center, and it's where you'll access everything needed to build and manage your landing page. Once you're inside the dashboard, click on Sites. This section is where Systeme.io organizes website-related tools, including funnels and pages. After that, click on Sales Funnels. Since a landing page is usually part of a funnel, this is the correct place to create it. Next, click on Create to start a new funnel. You'll then be asked to type in a funnel name. Choose something clear and easy to recognize, especially if you plan to create multiple funnels later. A simple, descriptive name will make your workspace much easier to manage. After naming your funnel, choose your goal. If your purpose is to collect email addresses or build a lead list, select Build an Audience. This option is ideal for landing pages designed for opt-ins, free offers, or newsletter signups. Once that's done, click Save. Now click on the funnel you just created to open it. From here, you'll be able to set up the actual landing page. The next step is to select a template. Browse through the visual template library and choose one that fits the style and purpose of your page. Try to pick a layout that matches your brand and keeps the visitor focused on your main offer. After selecting your template, click Edit Page. This opens the page editor where you can fully customize your landing page. Use the left sidebar to drag elements like headlines, images, and forms onto the canvas. You can click directly on text, buttons, and other content blocks to edit them and change the formatting. As you build, make sure your main call to action button is set to Send Form in the sidebar settings. That step is especially important because it ensures the form actually captures visitor information properly. Once your content is ready, save your work and exit the editor. Then go to the Automation Rules tab for that landing page step and click Add Rule. For the trigger, choose Funnel Step Form Subscribed. This tells Systeme.io what event should activate the automation. Then add an action such as add a tag or subscribe to campaign. This helps you organize new leads or place them into an email sequence, so every signup is tracked and followed up correctly. Finally, click Save to apply everything, and that's how to create and set up a landing page in Systeme.io, from building the funnel to customizing the page and connecting your automation.